Hey miners, hope you're doing well. So this is another new video that I started mining again, and today's topic is about ERGO mining. So this is a kind of risk management or some kind of non-profitability video because mm, in this scenario you can see that, and all you know that all the coins and the profitability goes lows, and now is on ERGO. On coin market cap you can see that the revenue or the coin price is dollar 1.37 dollar or 1.36 dollar is going up and down, and negativity is the profit loss is 2.38% is losing. And now it's the graph chart, or you can see that it's going down and down and down, is getting low. But I started to start ERGO mining because on what to mine I just calculated, and as you know that I have two 3060 card, and I selected on current profit and current values. And thus for here you can see that one more thing is that Z Nano or Zano is going now the top, and it's giving you before electricity is 0.51, but there is also non-profitability that is minus 0.17. So the main topic is on ERGO. So you can see that ERGO, and this is the nicest ERGO or the auto like cost. So there is the profitability. You can see that my 3060 card is giving me the before electricity is 0.34, and after electricity is minus 19. And one more thing is that on KASPA or the K heavy hash, you can see that KASPA is now running on 0.32 and is after electricity is minus 30. So I don't know what is the futures for this coin, but I am also going to start mining on K heavy hash or KASPA. But now today's topic is on ERGO, so that's why I started a risk management on ERGO, and I started my mining again on this coin. And here is the result, the loss profitability or something. So the main topic is now on ERGO mining. So just for before this video or the topic, so this is my YouTube channel, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you like my videos, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. As you know that this is going so little subscriber and is going to 100, so please subscribe my channel to get is 100 subscriber on this channel. And so now today I goes to setting, and I goes for my nice as miner, and this is going to be the last in this video. But for before I said you the whole thing that I'm going to start mining on ERGO by Hiveos, but I using my wallet is nice as. So why I using nice as wallet? Because I love Bitcoin, because there is kind of risk management, you can say that. Because on BTC price, just a minute. So as you know that BTC is running on 1600 975 or 1700 is going, but there is some possibility that it goes higher. So all are is kind of, you can say, the safe process. So if ERGO is going too much down, then there is, so this is a kind of altcoin, as you know. So if there is some negativity or this price is going lower and lower, so it's not any future for this, because it's taking too much higher and then it's too much down, so there is no profitability to for risk management. But on Bitcoin, as you know, that is continuing, goes higher, and is going also low, but there is a safe process. So that's why as I hope you understand what I am saying, and that's why I take the payment as a Bitcoin. So that's why I started Argo mining, but I don't use any Argo wallet. So that's why I using nicest wallet. And so on Hiveos, where you can see that my 3060 card is here, and I set up the limit is the fan is 100%, and core clocks is 1605 for both. And this is my 3060 V1 card, this is my 3060 V2 card, this is my new old one, and this is my new one. So the core clocks is 1605, memory clocks is 2200, and power limit is 135. And now it's set on Neoxa, because in this previous video I tested Neoxa on my both 3060 card, and now I switch my mining on Ergo. And that's why here we can see that I selected that auto Lycos or Argo on lolminer. And here is the settings that I selected on auto Lycos. I don't use the direct auto Argo mining because of nicest wallet. This is my nicest Argo wallet that I'm using, and I'm mining on nicest pool. So that's why I switch my pool, and this is the auto lycos.auto.nicest.com 9200. So apply for it, and I selected on lolminer, and there is no setup. This is a basic setup, so I don't change anything. So this is the worker name, and the template is already as a default. So apply for changes. And sorry for the camera, because my new one is dead now. So this is my old phone, so that's why the quality is too low than the new one. So updated it on here, and now is switch to the moon. Okay, and here we can see that my Argo flight sheet is ready. This is my wallet address, this is the server pool, and this is the overall the default settings. And overclock setting is the same for both cards, V1 and V2 card. Power limit is 135. So now it's ready for mining on Hiveos. And here we can see my both card is now for it's not ready. So I'm going to ready for both card. This is my V2 card, this is my V1 card, and all the setup is I just half completed. And this is the overall things. Just here we can see that all is here, and I'm going to start. So wait for that. So I so here is ready. My card is now set up on my PC, and you can show that my two cards is now running, and it's not start for mining, just I connect my rigs, and that's what the fan is not running, and it's just ready for the mining. But now it's going to be start for mining, and that's why I started. And just a minute. Okay guys, so here we can see that my card is now running, and here you also can see that it's running on Hiveos, and it's lolminer 1.64. The latest driver is now running, and total my 23060 card is taking around 234.51 mega hash. Number one is uh, just a minute. Here we can see that number one is taking 116.71 mega hash. This is the V1 card, and second one is 117.81 mega hash. So total is around 234 mega hash, and it's taking the power. You can see that is V1 card is taking around 96 watt, and V2 card is taking 97 watt. Total is 190 watt is roughly, and my card is now running is about 15 minutes or 16 minute running. And here my both card is also performing very well. This is my V1 card, this is my V2 card, so two card is performing very well, and there is no issue. So this is the overall things. And one more thing is that I changed my overclock setting, and that's because in this before I said that memory clocks is 2200 and core clocks is 1400. I said before is 1605, but when I set 1605, then it's going crash, or you can say my uh, monitor or the visual display is going off, and my PC or the mining is going down, and it's going to restart. So after the overclock settings, and this is the fixed overclock setting, now the new overclock setting is 1400 core clocks for both cards, now V1 and V2 3060, and memory clocks is 2200, and power limit is as before I said 135. So total two card is now running, and now it's continuously no issue, it's going properly. 17 minutes is running very well, and total is 223 to 234 watts, sorry, 234 mega hash or 223 mega hash is running, and two cards are here. So overall the updates is here, and this is the risk management, short risk management that I take, because 3 months I switched off my mining rigs, and now I set again the mining, and now it's running. It's my like a hobby. So this is when I feel the sound, the fan blades is running up, and you can see that how it's doing very well, and I feel very good for when the two my cards is running on and continuously giving me the profitability. However, now it's not going profitable, but I love these two cards, and just because I started my mining again. Let's see what's happened in 2023, but now it's end of the year, so I don't know what's going happen in the next year, but this is the overall update guys. So I hope this is going to be profitable quickly, and then all you feeling very well, and you also started going to mine, and I started from now, and let's see what's happened. So overall update is this. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So that's it.